Okay guys, so as you guys probably saw in one of the last videos, I rode it around and fixed the rubber thingies in the back, so those are all fixed, and I actually was able to get a cotter pin in here, so that's a good thing. And now we're working on the forks. This thing is from, as you guys know, this is my 1974 Yamaha MX100. We've had it now for about almost 2 years. I've had it for a couple months now, maybe 2 or 3 months. We've done a top end on it, all that stuff. Check out those videos if you guys haven't saw them. They'll probably be up in this corner throughout the video. All the things we've done to this bike. It's a pretty nice bike. I did do a seat cover on it. Didn't make a video of that though. It's crappy, but oh well. It's a seat cover. It works. So anyways, as you guys know, I did a video on my 2000 TTR 125 that I had. Before this, I did a fork. I put BBR fork springs in and replaced the oil on it. Check that video out, probably up here. That'll help you do more fork rebuilds and stuff if you have a TTR. But yeah, I put BBR fork springs in, and that helped a lot. So that oil, that thing was a 2000, and that thing had not many miles on it. Like, that thing was basically a brand new bike whenever we got it. And the fork oil was supposed to be red or whatever color, and it was gray, so that's pretty bad. So I can't imagine how bad this fork oil is, since this thing's from 1974, and it's 2022, so that's literally 48 years, guys, of probably the fork oil never been changed. So that's pretty insane. See, I can't imagine if there's any oil. I mean, I'm sure there's some oil left in it. They're still forks, but I can't imagine if they're what color it is, because I don't know if I can tell since I put it on the stand, but yeah, you can't tell. But anyways, it does have forks. I mean, they're not as good as my TTR, obviously, but once you get new fork oil on them, we don't know what weight we're going to be using. I'm going to do some research and figure out either 10 or 15 weight, probably. But I'll let you guys know. And so I'll start taking it apart. So what I'll probably just do is take off the whole thing at once, I'm thinking, because maybe not. Maybe I'll just take off the wheel first. Yeah. I'll probably take off the wheel first, and then I'll put you guys in time-lapse mode and show you what I did.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Okay guys, so as you guys just saw there, got the forks off. Wasn't that hard. Definitely was pretty easy. I was just having a little bit of trouble over here because it's a little bit harder over on this side, but it was pretty easy overall. Yeah, as you guys saw also, the bike almost fell backwards, so I was debating whether or not to put that underneath there, but I should have. I wish I would have. But yeah, that was a pretty close call there. But yeah, the bike's it's pretty steady now. Like, it looks kind of goofy, but check this out. The brake pads look brand new on the rear, or on the front at least, and they look like really nice. So the rears look like that too. This bike definitely has low hours, and you can see there's some writing in that brake drum. But the forks, they look pretty good. Here, I'm gonna set you guys up here for a little bit here to see how strong they are. Hopefully you guys can see this. I'm gonna just push this down here. As you guys can see, I can basically bottom it out. I'm bottoming it out, basically. So, yeah, I'm bottoming it out. So you can see there's a little bit of fluid in there. Not trying super hard, I can bottom it out. So let's get these apart. I'm going to take these things off. And then I'll take off this thing. And yeah, probably have to use air-powered drill for this. But yeah, I'll put you guys in time-lapse mode again. Well, this is pretty goofy. I didn't expect this whenever these came off. So these things are not supposed to have these originally. If you guys look at pictures of 1974 Yamaha MX100s online, or I think any MX100, they're not supposed to have these. So the brand is like Daystar, I think. Here, this one's better. Yeah, Daystar. So Daystar. So I don't know what these are off. These are just generic, like, you know, trail bike ones or what. They're pretty nice still yet. They're not dry rotted or anything. Anyways, we have a major problem here. I think these are the correct forks. I mean, I would guess they would be. But I don't know why there's no seal here. There's supposed to be a, you know, there's this other seal inside there. But there's supposed to be the, you know, the dust seal. There we go. That's what it's called. And there's no dust seal, but there's still paint there. That's so you guys can tell how nice this bike is. There's still paint on that. At least I think that's, yeah. But, so yeah, so we have major problems there. I might need to order some dust seals. Wow, there's like no work. There's like nothing that, we get dirty. But, it's like no wear on that brake drum. Interesting. I don't know if I'll take these apart tonight. I might wait for it tomorrow. But I'll let you guys know whenever I do. Oh, look at the kitties. They're so cute. As you guys know for the channel, if you guys watch long enough, Peachy, Frita, and Pepper, the one that's snoring right now. Hi, Pepper. Hi, Frita. Hi, Peachy. You guys are such good kitties. The kitties want you to subscribe, so you guys should subscribe. Especially Pepper, who's snoring right now. They're hilarious, these cats. There's WR for 50. Check out videos on that. I know it's that a million times, but you need to check out videos on that. It's cool. Okay, guys. Well, I'm back, and today we'll be taking apart the forks. And poor Frida, she can't fit in this box. So that's funny. But anyways, here, I'll get back here. Anyways, oh, so today's Friday, next day after yesterday, what we were doing, and I showed my dad these how there's no dust seals on them. He's like, oh, you should be fine with these. So, and plus they're kind of expensive, like $30 on eBay. So we're just gonna keep these, and yeah, and then today we're gonna get an impact and take these off, and hopefully nothing should explode. Hopefully, and it should all work, hopefully. So we'll get to that. I'll put it on time lapse server, and yeah. Okay, guys, so tomorrow I'm probably gonna upload the fork oil video, and it's been about a week now since I've done it, and I wrote it let's see, it was about 2 days ago, I think, 2 or 3 days ago, and it rides and handles pretty good, so I don't see any problems with it so far. It's all good. Well, I might need to tighten this one up again. This one looks like it's a little loose, but other than that, it seems pretty good. This is a new project work on for 20 bucks. I got a 125 horsepower engine. Check that video out. That video will be up here. And let me know if I should do that. And there's the WR50. But anyways, so yes, I got that on there. I'm figuring out some stuff on it yet. I'm working on the carburetor right now, trying to get it to run better. So, ordering a new throttle needle for that. And so anyways, yeah, it handles pretty good. I'll definitely change your fork oil, guys. You should do it. It went a little bit better in the woods, so that's good. And I guess thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay updated for other videos. And the cats would greatly appreciate it. This is just the ending of the video. I didn't really have one last time. Anyways, Frida. Just crack the bag. Okay, there they go. Stop free time. You guys have like an hour. Pepper, say hi. Hi, Pepper. Say hi. Hi. Oh, you're hungry. Frida, say hi. PG's not in here, is she? No. So the cats will greatly like it if you guys subscribe. Right, Pepper? Say meow. Good girl. Say meow, Pepperita. Meow. Okay, you just sniff the camera. But anyways, yeah. So thanks for watching. Subscribe and stay updated on all of our videos. And we'll be going to Wabash in like, I know, in like 15 days we're gonna go to Wabash and take the dirt bikes there. So it'll be amazing. Check out. That'll be awesome for some cool videos there. And some other dirt bike tracks and stuff, hopefully this summer. So that'll be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and stay updated for other videos. And yeah.